Stories. Everyone has them. Creative Cloud lets anyone create their story, easily and effectively, with beautiful designs using Adobe Spark. Creating social posts and graphics has never been easier. Spark Post helps you quickly remix your designs for sharing across multiple social channels such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and a variety of others, including LinkedIn. When you need to share a web story without building an entire website, Spark Page can help. Combine text and graphics for spectacular pages that showcase your images and communicate your message. You can create animated presentations with Spark Video that incorporates images, icons, videos, and text. Easily record your own narration on any device. Adobe Spark is available as a web app on the desktop or as individual mobile apps. Creative Cloud has something for everyone. What story will you create and share with Adobe Spark?